In this video, we'll be looking at multiplying fractions. Let's look at an example. My friends and I have ordered 3 pizzas. First, I have 1/8 of one of the pizzas. Then, I have 1/8 of another pizza. I have now eaten 2 lots of 1/8. I'm still not full, so I take 1 more eighth of the third pizza. I now have 1/8 of each of the 3 pizzas. But how can we write this as a fraction of just one pizza? We can work this out as repeated addition. 1/8 add 1/8 add 1/8. And this equals 3/8. We can also calculate our answer with multiplication. We have 3 lots of 1/8. 1/8 times 3. When multiplying fractions, we simply multiply the numerators and the denominators together. As we're multiplying by a whole number, 3, we write 1 as the denominator to show we have 3 wholes in total. We multiply the numerators first. 1 times 3 equals 3. Then we multiply the denominators. 8 times 1 equals 8. Remember, when we multiply a fraction by a whole number, the denominator stays the same, because the whole number has 1 as a denominator. Or we can just write the multiplication as 1/8 times 3. We multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator stays the same. 1/8 times 3 is 3 lots of 1/8, which equals 3/8. Time to try a question on multiplying fractions. Jack has planted some beans. 3 out of the 12 beans have started to grow. Jack hopes that 3 times as many will have sprouted by next week. How many of the beans does Jack hope will sprout by next week? To find our answer, we need to multiply the fraction 3/12 by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9, so 3 times 3/12 equals 9/12. By next week, Jack hopes that 9/12 of his beans should have sprouted.